Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It is currently 5:25, and I am enjoying my usual morning routine of waffles. About to get some work done, and I'm trying to write an article. I'm trying to write more articles. I've honestly written like 3 and then just not posted them. So, yeah, trying to get that up on the website. Along with client messages and emails, and then also, if you want the recipe to this, my digital cookbook is free right now. Just go to my website, www.codyharmon.com. If you have a pop-up blocker, it's early. If you have a pop-up blocker, it might not work. So make sure to turn that off, because if you want the free book, it pops up. So just, enter your email, and then you should get an email that gives you the download link. And if you do, let me know. This is the hard copy version of my cookbook, Shit You'll Actually Cook. So it's just the digital download. Keep that in mind. It's not the paperback version that you get on Amazon. I'm going to get to work and stop talking. Welcome to another boring day in my quarantine life. I will see you soon. Alright, so it is 10 o'clock. I'm a bit behind schedule today because I had a therapy session, and that was an hour long, so then I had to get done what I didn't do in that hour, and I decided it was best to give myself a haircut before I worked out, because procrastination is my favorite thing to do right now. So yeah, now it's time to do a workout. I'm going to start off with a run. I'm going to split up my workout today. I'm going to do today's back and biceps, so I'm going to do back, and then this afternoon I will continue to do my biceps, just because I feel like splitting it up, and I'm a little behind, so it'll help me to kind of like not feel so overwhelmed at once. I'll kind of talk about more of this overwhelmed situation I have going on in my head in a bit, but for now I'm going to get to my workout. And now that I'm all clean shaven and showered, which lucky me, I lost water pressure in the middle of my shower, which happens sometimes, and it happened today. I have no idea why, but that was fun. I probably still have like bits, I've still got bits of hair in my head, but whatever. Time for a good old post haircut itchy workout, and I'll see you in a bit. workout is done. Hi, Carly. That felt really good to get done. Yesterday, and the day before, I didn't know what was going on. I felt super exhausted and like simultaneously anxious, and I had a leg day yesterday, and I actually went to my friend's to use her weights, and I just noticed that my whole body, it just hurt. My knee hurt. The pain was like amplified, and it took a bit for me to realize that I carry my stress and my anxiety not only like in my head but in my body, and it just makes my pain tolerance go down a lot because I'm just so tense and so stressed that I feel everything all at once. So I was just like having a hard time beating myself up for kind of taking not a complete day off, but I didn't lift super heavy. I didn't go into the higher rep range. I kept it in the 5 rep range, and my max was a 215 squat, which I've done that for nearly 10 reps, and I only did it for 5. So I was definitely feeling a little bit down, like, oh my gosh, I'm losing so much strength and stuff. But really, I think it has to do with how much stress we actually hold in our body and how much stress can actually affect how we physically feel, not just how we mentally feel. And I'll tell you, like mentally or just being home, the weights always feel heavier because it's more mentally taxing to have to find a way to mentally shift yourself into a workout. And I'm going to be completely honest here. About 95% of all of the workouts that I've had to do at home have been me having to force myself to do it. Which sounds weird because it's like, you're a trainer. You should want to work out. You should enjoy working out. And it's like, I always enjoy it as soon as I get into it. And then like when I'm done with the workout, I feel amazing. But it's not always pleasant for me to get myself into a workout. I've had to force myself. I'm just like, Cody, if you do not do this workout right now, you will feel worse for not doing it. And basically, knowing that I do end up getting it done, I feel better. I'm so glad I did. But just sometimes that build up to it, it's like, oh man, it's gonna be hard to shift my mind to get in this workout. So it's not easy. It's not easy for me. It's not easy for anyone. Like, if you're struggling, you're not alone. Like, it's okay to not be loving working out right now or ever, really. It's just one of those things of life where it's a discipline. It 100% is a discipline. This is where discipline does take over. It's like brushing your teeth in the morning every day. Hopefully you brush your teeth, or showering. Hopefully you shower and all that stuff. Speaking of which, I already showered and I smell. That's like the silver lining of this whole situation of self-isolation and stuff. I have not worn deodorant like since self-isolation. It's not great for you anyways. So I'm almost thinking like, we're going to be social distancing for a while and we're going to be wearing masks. So it's like that 6-foot space between people and the masks. It's going to leave some room for a little bit more stench space. So, the whole no deodorant thing could potentially be a forever thing. Could be one of these, things that we walk away from in this situation. And if your stench still penetrates 6-foot distance and a mask, you need to get that checked out. You are doing something very wrong. Anyways, enough about my stench and my motivation issues. Big thing was that self-care is something that is the difference between yesterday and today. I've realized it's okay to struggle. It's okay to take an easy day. It's okay to do things that outside of work. It's okay to set boundaries and make time for yourself so that you can be more available to others when they need you. Blah, 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 blah. Gonna stop talking because it's lunchtime and I'll show you what I'm eating. So, sweet potato, these are already baked, already cooked. Just gonna put it in the pan. And some asparagus, yes. And then some leftover salmon that I baked yesterday. So, just gonna cut off a portion. It's all baked and good. It's leftover, so it looks like shit, but it doesn't taste like shit. So, gonna get cooking. Alright, so time to eat. I'm gonna do some more work, check in with some clients, and then I will see you back whenever I do my next workout. Yeah, I'm gonna eat. Just a little behind the scenes look to recipe developing. I finally am getting to a recipe I've been meaning to do forever. So now I have a mess to clean up, but this is an avocado dressing that was intentionally or originally going to be kind of close to the Trader Joe's Goddess dressing, which it still kind of is, but accidentally kind of just created my own because I couldn't find basil. I felt like there was just too much onion in the Trader Joe's kind of thing because I don't have a mouse. I was just looking at the back of the bottle of the Trader Joe's bottle, and what I morphed into I like better. So this is gonna go up on the Shit You Will Actually Cook blog. I've been meaning to do this forever. One thing that takes me so long is just measuring things out so I can give proper amounts for people to put, because a lot of the times I just like to throw shit in there until it tastes good, but I can't always do that when I'm trying to teach people the recipe or have them try it out. So if you want to try it out, it's going to be up soon, hopefully by the time this video goes up actually. And I'm going to work out now. It's like, it's almost already 4:20, and I'm going to get my second workout in, and decided to treat myself a little bit for dinner. I've not been really, I've been in kind of, like a slump, but the thing that is helping me is cooking and just allowing myself to create in the kitchen again, which is good. So I'm just allowing myself to do that, and I miss sushi, so I'll show you what I'm going to be creating, but until then, it's time to work out. So, it is 8 p.m. Remember when I said I was gonna treat myself and cook something? Well, I ended up just cooking more leftovers, but I did use the green sauce that I made, so I'm looking forward to that. So the only difference is cabbage for dinner today. I ran out of time. I had to finish my workout, walk my dog, and then I forgot I was doing it live with D. I actually had to push that back half an hour. So I didn't get to show you what I was treating myself with. I'll tell you though. So I've been missing sushi, so I got myself some ahi, and I was gonna sear it and just do basically a reconstructed sushi, because ain't no way I'm gonna roll that shit myself because it's a mess. I just don't want to. But I'm a creature of habit, so I'll probably do it again to show you guys. You know how I am. I do the same thing over and over again. So you'll see it. But for now, I'm gonna eat this and then finish up my night. I ran out of time and energy, but thanks for watching this video. I'm sorry it was, nothing entertaining, but that's pretty much the norm as well. So thank you again for everyone who has made it this far to the end of the video. I appreciate you. Also, don't forget, if you want to get a free download of my cookbook, just go to my website, enter in your email address, turn your pop-up blocker off, and it'll be there for you. So until then, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.